and welcome to another episode of Easy Rock Plugged In with yours truly. My name is Shai, and for today's episode, we're bringing in a very talented artist who's not just... I don't know where to begin with this fellow. Actually, you know what? I don't want to talk to him as an artist. I want to talk to him as the person na inuutusan ko dati magpakuha ng tubig, pa-photocopy po ng gamit namin kasi he used to be, okay na naman, diba? Tama ba? He used to be our intern here in Manila Broadcasting Company. Please welcome OCJ!
Yeah, what is up, fam? DJ Shai. Sa lahat ng tao sa studio, syempre, sa lahat ng nakikinig ngayong hapon sa Easy Rock. What is up, DJ Shai?
I don't buy it. I don't buy the whole OC kasi ang pogi pakinggan eh. Ang suwabe pakinggan. Very, you know that this is gonna be a lit artist. OCJ. No, you're Derek. You're Derek to me. You're Derek.
Yes.
First question. First question, Derek. Crush mo pa rin ba si Sexy Megan?
On-cam na ba tayo?
On-cam na tayo. Live na tayo, be.
Hindi. Alam naman ng lahat ng nasa studio dati ng MBC na talagang crush ko si DJ Megs that time.
It's not just the people in the studio. I have receipts. Kasi before, by the way, for those who don't know, of course, Sexy Megan is with Yes FM, who happens to be the sister company of Easy Rock. And look at how malandi he was. Yes, the word is malandi. First off, my phone is so dirty, but look at how malandi he was in the dance covers that they used to do. May pa, ganito pa siya. May pa ganun pa. Be! One more. There's another song. There's another song na naka-pink kayo. Wait lang.
Grabe, nag-research si DJ Shai.
Yeah, as I do with all
Prepared.
my artists. Here we go. Look at this, guys. Look at.
Bagets. Wow.
Wait for the moment na lalandi siya. Wait lang. Alam mo hindi siya choreographed eh. Alam mo, that's what he really felt. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Stop. I don't know when was the last time you went through those videos. I don't know.
Iba ang pa-intro. Oh my God.
Shout out to Megan. I just sent her a message actually that you're here. But anyway, back to you. Bakit OCJ?
Kasi mas magpupurso na ako ng sound na kung saan ako mas komportable, which is leaning into R&B hip-hop na. So, sabi ko, I had to rename myself.
Okay. But again, to me, you're always going to be Derek. No, but seriously, again, back in the day when he used to be an intern here, I just want to say it is without a doubt talaga, you were extremely talented. Not only were you an okay intern, sure. You were fine. Pumasa ka naman,
late
diba?
Lagi.
Late lagi, but whatever. But you were extremely talented. Not only with the dance with Sexy Mega, but also with your music, with how you sang. Sobrang ganda ng voices mo. Voices? Sobrang ganda ng voice mo talaga. And it's no surprise that you pursued music as a career because I know you also went abroad.
Yes.
You became...
Updated.
Of course, we're friends on Facebook.
Yes,
Actually, wala akong choice yung time na yun, guys. Nakakahiyang hindi accept yung friend request yung time na yun. But anyway, yeah, you were a singer abroad and you're back in the Philippines and you're pursuing a music career.
Yes.
But what was with the shift from pop R&B to hip-hop R&B? Like, what differs then and now at bigla ka nag-shift to that?
Well, talaga naman, talaga yung heart ko as an artist, as a musician. Talagang yun ang core ko, R&B hip-hop. Pero that time kasi parang mas kinikater ko yung kung ano yung hinahanap ng market. But this time, sabi ko kung ano, I have to be true to myself. Kung ano yung gusto ko, kung ano yung passion ko, yun yung pipiliin ko. Wow.
But also, in all seriousness though, with I know we're making fun of you being here before and whatever, pero you look glowing.
Salamat.
Iba talaga. And I don't know if it's because of your choice of your career path. I don't know. Kung hindi na ba tayo depressed as before? I don't know. But sobrang glowing mo and you look like such just the chef's kiss kind of artist. And we cannot wait to hear more of your music. But right now, I want to know, because you are shifting or currently focusing on a certain kind of genre, who are OCJ's musical inspirations?
Oh, madami yan. Internationally, syempre, Usher.
I had a feeling. I know you also have a bunch of covers of Usher.
Yes.
Yeah,
Usher, Neo, syempre, Boyz II Men. Yan talaga. Mario, Yan mga Justin Timberlake. Sa
Yeah.
Philippines, madami din. Siyempre, Billy Crawford, Sam Concepcion. Dream collab ko yan. Sam C. Yes.
We will
And Skasta.
attract that and make that happen for
Manifest.
OCJ. I'm looking forward to that happening for you, and you're right. Manifest. All right. So although we already got to know each other, for our viewers, tune into Easy Rock Plugged In via our Facebook page, Easy Rock Manila. First off, pa-share naman ng video na to. Spread the love, not the chismis. They want to get to know you more, and this we're gonna do that with an icebreaker called This or That. Very simple. You just have to choose between this or that. Saan ka ba talaga? Starting off with singing or dancing. Bawal both, ha? If you had to choose, singing or dancing.
Singing, syempre.
Ito na tayo eh.
Magpa-plastic pa sana ako dancing. Sing,
Pero
sing.
I mean, I'm so sorry, but we just want to feel refreshed with your dancing skills. Kaya bang sumample ng Ever Very So Slightly?
Oh my God.
Isipin mo na lang yung upuan na yan si Sexy Megan. Tayo muna. Bothered ako. Sandali. Kaya mo bang i-sample real quick?
Sige, try natin. May music ba tayo dyan?
Ito na yun. Ito
Ay,
na
yun
yung,
na yun.
yung narinig mo background music, ito na yun.
Ganun na lang tayo.
Pasensya, hindi kami prepared. Okay na yun, sige. Okay na sa akin
Yeah.
yun. Sige nga.
May mga dance videos ako sa account ko. Doon na
Oh,
lang
yeah,
daw.
yeah. Oo. So you guys could also check that out. We're gonna
Yep.
know more about that later. Okay, next question for this or that. Well, we found out that you were recently on a beach trip. So would you rather go on a day trip to La Union or hike in Mount Pulag?
Hiking tayo, syempre.
Ah, talaga?
Oo.
I really thought that you were more of a beach person, beach
person.
chill person. Ang effort pa, guy?
Recently kasi puro beach trips eh. Pero kung may time lang talaga ako palagi, hiking talaga. Hiking po.
Why?
Why not?
Gotcha. Okay, next question. Flavor-wise, chocolate or vanilla?
Wait, chocolate, syempre.
For the love
Sa
of
mas
vanilla.
matamis.
Ay. Okay. Okay, you saying so. Series or movies?
Movies.
What's your favorite so far top of mind?
Movie. Actually, parang series pala pinapanood ko recently. Ngayon ko lang na-realize, Baby
I
Reindeer.
can't answer your why question. Akala ko yes or no lang. Sige, pwedeng change answer.
Change answer na lang. O kasi recently pala, puro series pala. Baby Reindeer. Yeah.
Baby Reindeer is in Netflix.
Yes.
Tama.
Sobrang ganda.
I haven't watched that. Once again, nakakailang, oh yeah, I should watch that. Ako sa mga artist interviews, never watched. Tingnan natin with your suggestion. Okay, next question. Maghabol or habulin?
Uy. Maghabol, syempre.
Wow! Di tayo plastic, ah.
Hindi, kasi I think love is more on about ikaw yung nag-give, naghahabol. Mas yun ang love. It's all about giving rather than ikaw yung magpapahabol.
Alam mo, it's a long time I've known you, and na-realize ko lang, nagka-love life ka ba?
Ay, oh my God. Meron naman in between. Hindi lang
In
nagtatagal.
between naman, hindi mo lang, walang soft launch.
Meron,
Meron
pero
ba?
oo, pero hindi nagtatagal.
Sino may mali?
Feeling ko ako.
Yes!
Wow, aminado.
It's the consistency for me, you know? Kung lahat naman pala, I mean, if kung marami along the way, baka lang, you're the problem, it's you, ganun.
Hindi kasi baka busy lagi ako, mas more on focus ako sa goal ko as a person. So minsan wala akong time mag-love life.
Sige.
So feeling ko yun yung reason why.
Sige. If you say so, Derek.
Feeling ko yun yung reason why.
But pwede, it's an acceptable reason. You know? I mean, you're just career focused.
Yes.
Diba? You have a goal in mind. On that note, what is still part of your bucket list as an artist, as OCJ? What is part of your bucket list?
O syempre, yung parang feeling ko pinaka-possible ngayon, nag-iisip ako gumawa ng album na R&B, Afrobeats type. Syempre, sa long term, gusto ko magkaroon ng sarili kong concert. Sa big venues, syempre.
Of course, as always, we are here to support you. Not just, as OCJ, but as our friend, as our OK intern back then, Derek. Well, we're very glad to have you here, Derek. Pero sige, let's move. Naka-Derek na ako, sorry. OCJ. OCJ tayo, guys. Shy. OCJ kasi. Okay, focus. Let's move on to talking about your music. So the song you're gonna be singing later on is called Bakit Di Na Lang Ako?
Yep.
And it's supposedly about going after someone who's hard to get. what made you write that song? Is it because of one of them, the ones in between, or someone in particular, or wala ba? It's not even about you.
Actually, idea siya ng friend ko, which is also my boss. No, co-writer ko siya sa song na to. Sabi, gawa tayo ng song na about sa friend na alam mo yun. But gusto mo sabihin na ba't di na lang ako? Iwan mo na yan. Parang gano'n. So, game. So, as a writer, syempre, kailangan mo rin ilagay yung sarili mo sa ganung
situation. Yeah.
Yun. I think may experience naman ako na gano'n. So, nirelate ko siya dun sa song na yun.
Galing. But wala namang exact certain person na para sa'yo talaga itong sinusulat ko. You know, kasi chismosa. So, hindi naman. Okay. Well, how did the concept for the visualizer naman come to be? Because we did see it earlier. Yeah, there we go.
Gusto ko lang actually chill. Yung song kasi is very chill. At parang nag-aantay ka lang. Nag-aantay ka na mapansin ng taong gusto mo. So basically, yun lang yung naisip namin with my team na ganyan lang kasimple yung visualizer. Yeah.
Chill lang, laid back, gano'n. Yeah. And then choose me, pick me, gano'n.
Pick me.
Ako na lang kasi, gano'n. Alright, well that was an interesting, and pansin ko nga na there's something chill about that. Renzo, scroll up. Ano ba? But anyway, do you have any advice naman? Do you have any advice for the people who are not chosen?
Siyempre, kung pag di ka pinili, madami pa namang iba. Oo, cliché man siyang pakinggan. Pero madaming iba and mas makakahanap ka ng taong para sa'yo.
I know that people say na, you know, a no is a no. Learn to accept the no's when people give you that. But how hard do you pursue before you accept a no? Kapag sinabihan ka naman na sorry, I'm not interested, agad-agad ka ba? Okay, sige, hindi na po, bye.
Oo, parang ganun.
Okay.
Oo. Pero kapag hindi pa nagdo-know yung person, kahit parang unsure siya, talagang liligawan ka.
Pagpabebe pa, bahala. Ayoko.
Yan, pag ganyan, talagang
pursue pa.
Yeah. Pag sinabi niyang no, hindi ako interested, okay.
What is there to love about OCJ?
Siyempre yung...
Benta mo sarili mo, dali.
Uy, grabe. Feeling ko yung bravery ko to pursue my passion kasi I was doing okay abroad. So, pag uwi ko dito, wala namang sure, stable job. Gusto ko lang mag-pursue ng music ko. Feeling ko, kung kaya kong ipaglaban yan, mas kaya kong ipaglaban kung pinili nyo.
Fuck! And I thank you. No, but really though, when we get to see clips of you performing before when you were abroad, very powerful ka as a performer. You have this stage presence. Kaya if you choose, or rather, when the concert finally comes to be, that's right, when the concert finally comes to be, hindi malabo talaga na you will just wow your audience, wow your fans.
Salamat.
You have a fan in me kahit inaaway kita bilang Derek.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Sana soon.
Yeah, we will again manifest natin yan. Well, before we check out your song, again, please do invite everybody to check you out on your social media accounts, and if you have other upcoming releases or events, please also let them know right now.
Yep. Siyempre, sa mga susunod na ganap ko, upcoming gigs, events, follow nyo ako sa aking social media accounts. Ayan, here pala. OCJ.music on Instagram, OCJ Official sa Facebook page, and sa lahat ng social media accounts ko. Of course, i-stream yung song ko out on all digital platforms. Yeah.
There we go. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, this has been Easy Rock Plugged In with yours truly. My name is Shai. Let's now check out OCJ's BDNLA. Tama ako?
Yes.
Yeah, there you go. Enjoy.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
Ba ang dami pang tanong, ano pa ba ang hanap mo? Bakit di na lang ako? Bakit kaya ang labo mo kahit nakilapit ko? Bakit di na lang ako?
Isa ko na mga kwento, paulit-ulit nang wala enero. Mga galawan sa'yo'y nahihirapan, dami mong hinanap, piliin mo na sana ko sa Pebrero. Oh, you know what I'm saying, everyday tinatanong how you feeling. Pagkatino to'y di kita iniiwanan, sa dami ng lumis na ko lang ang lumalaban.
Hanggang kailan iiwasan na darama? Hanggang kailan tataguan? Sana na may pagbigyan. Ba't ba ang dami pang tanong? Ano pa ba ang hanap mo? Bakit di na lang? Ba't di na lang ako? Ang labo mo kahit na kilapit ko. Bakit di na lang ako? Oh, giliw, bakit di na lang ako?
Umiiyak ka na naman sa tabi, ilang beses ko na rin namang sinabi, pinaikot lang ang feeling, sakin pa rin takbo sa ending. Kasi basta gwapo kala mo ay Prince Charming. Ow! Tatanda ka lang walang kahawak, ganun ba dapat? Baka naman tayong I just wanna stay by your side, kahit na hindi mo ko kailangan. Oh,
hanggang kailan iiwasan na darama? Hanggang kailan tataguan? Sana na may pagbigyan. Ba't di na lang ako? Bakit ang labo mo kahit kay lapit ako? Oh, giliw, bakit di na lang ako? Bakit di na lang ako? Bakit di mo ba makita? Hanggang dito nga na lang ba? Pagtingin mo ba'y magbabago? Maghihintay ba sa wala sinta? Kasing labo mo, kailang lapit, ba't di na lang ako? Oh, giliw, bakit di na lang